After missing so many days of Vlogmas this year, I decided that I was going to film today, and I'm so glad I did because we baked, we had hilarious FaceTime calls with my family, and Tommy and I just had a really lovely day. Good morning and Merry Christmas. I am awake before noon today, which is the first time I've been awake before noon in several weeks. And I am wearing a Christmas sweater that my brother got me for Christmas like 6 or 7 years ago. Wearing some nice holiday pants. Love this pattern. I wear these all year round though, to be fair. And my cozy Uggs. And we are going to bake today. We are baking Oreo cheesecake cupcakes, and I'm gonna make something else chocolate covered. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but I bought a bunch of chocolate chips yesterday from the grocery store, so I'm definitely gonna do something with that. And I'm not sure what we're making for dinner tonight, but I have a scalloped potato, or like a dish that I want to use with definitely scalloped potatoes because I love potatoes. They're my favorite food. While I bake, because I haven't been able to be in the most festive mood for the last like 10, 15, 20 days like I wanted to, I'm going to be watching the Santa Claus 2 because that is my favorite Christmas movie thing, and I haven't watched any Christmas movies yet this year. Oh, it's Dad. Good morning, oh!
Can we do our picture?
Sure.
Technology has batteries now, so we're not just on my phone.
Yeah, good timing. I'm getting ready to make the things, so let's do our picture.
How are we gonna do it?
The Santa Claus collection. It's time for the Mrs. Claus. Cooper, look at your cute little sweater. Look at that sweater. Are we all wearing the sweaters Bao bought us? Cooper's very focused.
What combination?
Family picture time.
I think the battery ran out.
I feel like I have a dream about this.
A bad dream?
A nightmare.
You feel like, sometimes I feel like I've been there, done that with this.
Deja vu, yeah.
Deja vu.
Cooper has got to look the other way. Not at me. You can look at me now. Cooper needs to turn fully, like, 180 the other way.
We'll figure it out.
Okay. You'll sort out the house. Is he in a headlock?
Sorry,
Let me see. Where is it?
Let me see. Oh, what my God.
We can do better.
Okay, let's try again.
We can do better.
Handling all the pictures, even the ones he's looking sideways. Alright, everybody ready?
Wait, hold on.
Tell me when you're ready.
And we hit my 25-minute timer.
Hey!
Yay!
Alright, timer picture.
Okay.
You gotta smile, Ellie.
It's flashing, go.
You're gonna flash without him.
The camera moved because I unlocked it.
I saw myself move too.
He's about done.
I am too!
My cheesecake's gonna burn.
Let it burn.
No, go get it.
Go, hurry up.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh, it needs more time. Oh, it super needs more time. All right. 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Okay.
5 more minutes?
It needs 5 more, yeah.
Okay, Alicia, you ready?
I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. How does it look?
Cooper's Vajashina.
God,
I'm having fun.
I'm about done.
So much fun.
Did we do it?
May have done it.
We...
Everyone's eyes open. And I'm a little blurry.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
Hey, Coop.
Oh my God.
My Christmas movie has been paused. The Santa Claus 2. Yep, I'm watching Santa Claus 2. There you are.
He's watching me do stupid stuff behind the camera.
Do you have something for him? He looks like he's gearing up.
Yes, I'm getting something.
Oh.
I'm gonna toss him something. Oh!
He knows when you're awake. These are done and they're gonna cool for a little bit. Take a bite. Take a bite. There's no address in the... Not like that, no! I did say take a bite, and you did say there was paper. Is it good? Or is
the
it
paper doesn't really add much to it.
too warm?
No, it's good.
Yay! You're so cute. You poor sweet idiot. You're like, there's paper. I was like, yeah, just move it. You're like, no. No, I'm just gonna eat it. Woo. Got a potato. I didn't peel them because our glove is in the washer. So we just have ruslet with the ends. The sauce doesn't look too bad. Looks decent. I don't know how it's gonna taste. It kind of just looks like clam chowder, honestly. Oh, God. Oh my God. I thought the fire alarm was about to go off. That's what you meant. It does beep. Did you hear my family escapade this morning and trying to take a picture?
I heard something going on, but
It took us over an hour to get situated for that photo. Looks a little bit,
it's a little burnt.
a little burnt.
It's a little. It's
A little crispy.
It's a good shade for waffles, but it needs to be a little bit less dark for
Toast.
waffles.
Nice little, never used before.
You cleaned it out before you.
I sure did. All right, so I think I just lay them down and then dump layers of that on, right?
Yep.
Cool. Covered, then 30 minutes uncovered. And it's going to be way too cheesy. My favorite scene in this movie is when he gives them all their childhood favorite things. Ah, so cute. Okay, I need to do an uncovered 30 minutes now. The cheese should be bubbling. It is surely bubbling. We'll go 30 uncovered. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes. Ouch. Ah! I didn't burn my, I'm okay. Merry Christmas. Okay. I think I crushed it. I hope it tastes good. Huh?
Where's that?
Oh, you wanted me to scoop yours too?
No.
I can. Would you like some? Just in a bowl, like?
Sure.
Okay. I wanted to give you the satisfaction of scooping it out.
Thanks, Shane.
Bead Shane. And these just look so much better than they did last time. Okay. Cheers.
It's good.
I think it's good, yeah. I don't think the cheese is overkill. I was worried it was gonna be too rich, but because I cut down the amount of cheese and didn't put like 2 cups of cheese in, I put like half a cup. It's less like melty than it could be, but it's like flavor-wise pretty. Cool. Now I just have to remember what I did. I put in extra chicken stock and less cheese. Oh, now I could put more onions in. All right, ready to unwrap What If? Maya has remote.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Yay! A really way to carry it over that finish line, honey.
Thanks. And I help.
One of the best things I feel like I've ever made. Like I cannot stop eating it, and we've basically already finished that entire dish. So I will be making it again, and I wrote down all the modifications I made and the different kinds of cheese. So good. Time to light some candles to create some immaculate vibes. Okay, so I have finished the second and third Santa Claus movies. Now I've decided that I want to watch the Futurama Xmas episodes. So I'm going through to watch that now, and then I'm gonna do a face mask and do a little bit of skincare, because one of the things, like I said, that I crushed absolutely while I was sick is maintaining skincare. So I'm gonna do the under eye green elf masks, and then I'm also going to do the full face mask because I bought a new little silicone brush, so I'll show that in a second, but I'm just excited to do some skincare. This is the cheese that I shredded up and used 1 cup of in that recipe. 2019 Balderson's chocolate cheese. And I thought it was gonna be way too sharp, but it was absolutely perfect. I haven't had energy to do anything the last like month, so I'm finally doing a bunch of stuff. So I actually made a second round of the scalloped potatoes because I wanted to try out an adjustment to the recipe, and all the ingredients are quite cheap. So yeah, I'm also making peanut butter and chocolate covered bananas. Love this mask. Need to get more soon because I've got like less than a quarter of it left. The new accessory I bought, this little brush that I can use to apply it, but it's like a silicone pad, so I don't have to get my fingers dirty. And it's just this little spatula, and it's awesome. What I love about this mask too is it's like a cool mask, even though it's not like in the fridge right now, so it's like cold immediately when I put it on my face. Too many little baby hairs. My hair is psychotic right now. Gotta leave room for my eye mask as well. This mask only needs to be on for 5 to 10 minutes, so that will be that, and I'll get the last remnants off here and very little waste. $2 or $3 at the dollar store. And now, I called this e.l.f. earlier, but it's Pixie. Okay. Next time, note to self, put the eye mask on first. And number 2. All right. After this, I will see back here for serums, etc. Oh, there's still a little mask on my nose. Clean face. I am not going to do toner today. I just feel like it's silly once I rejuvenate my skin with the mask to put on toner. I don't know skincare very well, but I feel like that's not the right thing to do. So I've been going back and forth between these two, but today I'm gonna do Glossier. Okay. Feels really absorbent today. Next, Pharmacy eye cream, under eyes. Very important. Becoming obsessed with those as I am trying to get ahead of the dark circle aging, even though I definitely am not ahead of the dark circle aging. I know you like take time to see results, but I don't know how long this is supposed to take. I've only been using it for a week though, so stay tuned for results. Okay, I need the new version of this, but I still only have the tiny Laneige. It is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. The bottle looks very different now, like they had a rebrand, so it looks quite different. I'm gonna put this on next, and that's all the steps. I don't think I'm supposed to use both of these at the same time, which is why I go with one or the other. I think I can technically use them both because one is hyaluronic and one is provitamin B, but the provitamin B5 is also an ingredient in the Glossier one. So I feel like it's just doubling up on the same thing and might not be super necessary, but if someone knows better than me, let me know. Yes, this cream makes my skin feel amazing and very, very smooth. These are all the steps. All right, evening skincare done.